Welcome to 7351 Northeast 142nd Terrace, Williston, Florida. This stunning property not only has beautiful land, but also a nearly new custom pool home, a horse facility, and storage for all of your toys. If you've been searching for homes in Central Florida, you know how rare it is to find a complete property such as this. Step into this beautiful ICF construction home and enjoy the beauty of having a newer home with all of the best finishes. 9-foot ceilings throughout, an open floor plan, ceramic tile flooring, granite counters throughout kitchen and bathrooms, gas range, and on-demand hot water are just a few of the features of this home. The open concept floor plan allows for great moments with friends and family. Take a stroll down the hall to the owner's suite with thoughtfully laid out floor plan of a large walk-in closet, French doors leading to the wraparound porch, and a beautiful master bathroom with dual sinks, granite counters, and tile through the shower. Just outside the owner's suite is the oversized mudroom laundry room, another guest bedroom, and a half bathroom. Separated by a covered breezeway, your guests will feel like they have their own private vacation spot with 2 oversized bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and a small kitchenette. The wraparound porch offers 5,000 square feet under roof, allowing plenty of outdoor living space. Enjoy the heated saltwater pool year-round and never worry about losing power as the entire home has a backup generator. Look out from any window and see green pastures and horses grazing. Be delighted by deer roaming through the yard and enjoy riding on the bridle path around and through the property. The property is centrally located so one can enjoy all of the finest things Central Florida has to offer. Riding trails to Goethe State Park, all major Ocala horse show venues, an easy commute to Gainesville for great shopping and medical facilities, yet still have the peace of what draws so many to this area. The horse barn is perfect for the hobby rider with 3 12x12 stalls which lead to outdoor pastures, a large feed room, and an air-conditioned tack room. The barn was designed in a manner that it can easily be converted to 6 stalls. For those with hobbies outside of horses, you'll be delighted with the large pole barn that can house a RV, horse trailer, boat, or any other toys.